Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to add another Gmail account in Android phone. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Gmail application on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all the accounts that is added on your device over here. So if you want to add another Gmail account, simply tap on this option, add another account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the options like Google, Outlook, Yahoo, etc. Simply tap on the option Google. Enter your PIN for security. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here you'll be able to sign in to your account. So simply sign into your Google account. Tap on the field of email or phone. Now enter the email or phone over here. After entering your email or phone, you can simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter the password over here. Now after entering the password, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply read these informations very carefully and tap on the option I agree. You basically have to agree to the Google Terms of Service. Now you can see over here that particular Gmail account will be added to your device. So that is how you add another Gmail account in Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.